welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to make chicken wings. Was you?
I'm just saying hi.
Oh, he's just saying hi. Okay, all right. 6 ingredients, minimal amounts of anything. Now I have to put a preclude or whatever. When I started making this years ago, chicken wings were like 39 cents a pound. I mean, it was not a big deal for me to buy a big pack of chicken wings and feed us all. I about fell on the floor at the grocery store when I bought these because they were $5.09 a pound. There is 6% or 3%, whatever they're trying to feed us, that our groceries have went up. They are lying. I mean, even pre-2020, you could still find wings for 99 cents a pound, okay? $5.09, that's a little getting carried away. But we do love this dish, so I'm going to show it to you anyway because it's easy, and I guess all things relative, it's still relatively priced, sort of, like, yeah. But anyway, everything else is minimal, so let's get started. We're going to make a marinade, easy peasy marinade. We're going to take some balsamic vinegar, and it does need to be balsamic. We're going to take some balsamic vinegar. We're going to get 5 tablespoons. We need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And it's cold out here, so my olive oil is not pouring very well because it's cold pressed. The other day I came out here and it was solid. Four. Clang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang. Need some honey. You're gonna need 4 tablespoons of honey. Which I may or may not get out of this. It sucked it right back in when I let go. It's gonna take a minute, y'all. Maybe I should have warmed that honey up. Alright.
You call it watch time.
Yeah, this is watch time, y'all. Watch Tammy get cold honey out of the jar. Two. That's only 2. I am. 3. Who'd have thought it'd been that hard? This is unfiltered honey. And it's cold. One more. Last one. Okay. 4 tablespoons of honey. One and a half teaspoons. I'm just going to drop that of thyme. 1.5 teaspoons of thyme. That looks good to me. And then we're going to need 4 cloves of garlic pressed. But y'all know I have a hard time with that too. I may have to have Superman come over here. Okay. Here we go. Those weren't too bad. And I know I said 4, but these were kind of small cloves, so I went ahead and did 6. Make sure I had it nice and good and garlicky. It's wintertime and you need garlic in your life. All right. Gonna give that a good mix. Which is kind of hard because that honey's cold. Who'd have thought it would have been that hard to stir cold honey, y'all? I finally got it loose though. I'm nice and loose and it's all incorporated. My marinade's ready. And I wash my chicken and I'm just gonna drop it right on in that marinade. Move that out of the way. And then we're just gonna throw that chicken around in that marinade. Get a little bit on every piece. Alright, I'm good and coated now. Everything's got a little bit on it. So now we're going to come over to the stove and get my skillet hot on a medium heat. Ooh. Medium. Let's see, that's low. So that's about a medium. And we're going to slide that pan up there and let that pan get hot. Because I don't stick anything in a cold pan. That's the quickest way to make something stick. Oh, I'm looking down because I have this handy dandy heater down here. And it's cooking to one side of my leg. But it feels so good, y'all. I don't mind at all. Alright. I'm looking at Randy because he's laughing at me. It's okay. He laughs at me all the time. There comes Essie. Guess she knows it's dinner time. Randy will probably cut some of this out. Okay, now my pot has got a good smoke, or my skillet. And I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. And I'm going to start dropping my chicken. I may have to do this in batches, but Randy loves this stuff, and he doesn't mind eating it for lunch tomorrow, so I figured I'd go ahead and make a big batch and be done. There we go. Now we're just gonna let that get brown on all sides. Okay, they've been 2 or 3 minutes on that side. So now we're gonna flip them over to the other side. Brown that side. We're not cooking them, we're just browning them right now. I mean, we are cooking, but. Okay, I've got them all brown on all sides now. So I'm gonna turn my oven, or my stove, all the way down to low. And I'm gonna take the rest of that marinade and pour it all over. And I'm gonna let that simmer until I get a good heavy glaze on all that chicken. And my chicken is done. Should take probably, I don't know, from this point, maybe 15 minutes or so. And your chicken should be, and with white meat chicken, it should be done. All right, now about halfway through, you'll want to flip them over. Make sure they get done on both sides. And they're all married up in that marinade. Oh, these look and smell so good. I miss them. We hadn't had wings, and I couldn't tell you. Since the last time I did a wing video, that's the last time we had wings, because they are just too much. But they are so, so good. Yep, I was right. Right around 15 minutes. Look how beautiful those wings are. And I am sure they're done. They're soft. You can pierce through them or pinch them. But they are ready. And my sauce has reduced down probably a little further than half. So we are ready to plate this up. And we'll turn that eye off because they're going to keep right on cooking and sizzling in there while I get this plate. And like I said, Randy loves them, so we're going to get quite a few, and he really, really likes the flaps, so we're going to give him most of those. And then to go with that, I just have one of those store-bought salad kits. And I just got one of those little store-bought kits, salad kits. And we're gonna put that nice, pretty bourbon apple salad right there. Dinner is served.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chicken. Okay. Let's try this salad first.
It's store-bought, so you know it's not going to be good. It's actually pretty good. Yeah.
Bacon bits.
Yeah, it was one of those markdown salads, so I thought I'd get it because I'm not paying $3 or $4 for a pre-made salad, but I'll give you 99 cents.
Yeah. Cool. Getting it.
Okay.
Good. Gotta hurry up before it gets cold though.
Yeah, it is
I
cold
just
out
want to show
here.
you guys how I eat chicken wings. A real one.
He does. He only likes the flaps because he can do that. Finger licking.
I don't normally eat like that, but
When they chicken wings like that,
You know it's got to be good.
right? I need a big cow. I'm gonna go eat my wings.
Y'all have a great evening. I'll see you next time. Bye.